What's up with this baby?
He's been playing with the ghosts. That's the one they don't love. Get in the back with the goats! Meredith, get in the back with the fucking goats! Don't wake up your brother!
I like throw a dog a bone.
Got it in a paper bag.
See them other dudes, hey, I got the last coffee cake.
Bring yummy cheese.
This kid sucks.
Oh man!
This kid sucks so bad. This is Mac and Cheese Wednesday, and what do Mad Libs, fecophiliism, and ink blots have in common?
We're talking about them on their fucking show.
On a fucking show.
It's Mac and Cheese Wednesday, bitch.
Wednesday. Fuck.
I'ma make it. My flow untouchable, no risk.
Hey Rippz.
Hey, bud.
Hey.
Hey.
Welcome to Mac and Cheese Wednesday, buddy.
Fuck you guys. I'm gonna get high. I never get high. I'm gonna get high for Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
It's all prop weed.
I'm the fucking top dog of the news feed right now.
Let's start off with this then. Why are you the bomb.com, Rippz?
I got a fat ass dick.
Wait a minute, hold up. That has a link on it. What is bomb.com and are we gonna be on some kind of list?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm a fan of that, to be honest.
Who's
I don't know.
is she down?
She's down for cock.
Little dirty dick taster. Yo, hit me up.
How was your boy? I know it's supposed to be funny and off the wall crazy, but how about this? How you got into music and what keeps you going?
I don't want to talk about that because I don't really care. How's that go?
You ever tell us what we're getting stories?
No, it's mad weird.
I gotta hear it now.
Nah, we'll talk about it a different time. Dude was like, yo, will you be my new daddy?
Alright, that's not that weird because he's
my-
asked me the same question.
My dad, he wanted me to give him a haircut.
Craziest tattoo stories. Did you ever get your dick sucked while you were like bending over, like doing the girl's tramp stamp?
No, that would be great, but I feel like I'd end up with a chunk of my dick missing or something.
Yeah, I would do so bad.
You would have been so bad sucking a dick.
If I had to suck a dick while I was getting a tattoo, I would do terrible because all the time I'm like.
But normally you do a great job. DJ Khaled has been killing it out there recently.
I hate that.
You hate that?
The motivational
I
shit,
think
dude,
it's so
I hate
funny.
it.
I think it's so funny.
You're special. You the best. You gonna get that money. You gonna buy your mama a house. You a star. You gonna be rich.
You a kidney stone.
You the best.
You're so worthy of this.
You gonna be rich. Yo.
Your success is inevitable.
You gonna buy your mama a house.
Your mama's gonna buy you a house. With the money she got from investing in the house you originally bought on the stock market. Good looks, ma. Thanks for the house.
Just like, it's not good enough. It's not good enough.
I think it's way funnier than Mad Libs.
Let's get that going. Mad Libs, because fuck Simon, right?
Yeah, fuck you, Simon.
Fair enough.
Let me get an adjective.
Which one's that?
Describe things.
Let me get a noun.
Noun is a person, place, a thing.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Waffle.
Okay.
Perfect.
Noun.
Shit. Yeah, fucking put it. That works. Sloppy shit. That's gonna be a good one. Dude, even just reading that right there, wet waffle seahorse. Like, dude, that's already spectacular.
Oh, yeah.
Simon's not impressed.
Nah, see, once you got to stores, I was like, I'm not gonna fucking pick something just as good or not better than stores. Fucking stores. With the 7-Eleven.
Noun, plural.
Titties.
Another one.
The other one was titties. So this time it's gonna be theater ushers.
Theater ushers.
Mm-hmm.
Verb ending in S.
Fingers.
So that's the action, right?
Yes, that's the action, not the
That's the
things.
verb, not the noun.
Not the appendages.
That's
Yes,
the verb,
exactly.
not the noun. You can use you can use it again at the end.
Yeah.
Adjective.
Adjective. Adjective-y, which is not an adjective. Adjective. How about cuntish?
It's gonna be great.
You think so?
It should be.
I had to prove myself. You guys are talking mad shit about my. The engorged green tea is sniffed with the lightly bruised purple flavor of tart green titties and the coarse, sweet flavor of orange theater ushers. I like that first line. The engorged green tea is sniffed with the lightly bruised purple flavor of tart green titties.
The way you're reading it so good too.
Dark green titties.
That was mad funny.
You liked
Yeah,
it?
no, you did great.
Thank you.
did great.
Thank you.
See,
You know what's funny? Dark green titties.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that long, but it should be incredible.
And don't look at the tab.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. I forgot about that. You're an idiot.
I'm an idiot for telling you that, man. I was a good friend. Don't look at the tab.
Don't look at the tab.
Don't look at the tab.
Do you see what the tab is? No, it should be good.
I see the tab. And now he does too. You
No,
look
I
at the
haven't.
tab.
I haven't looked at it yet.
Oh,
Stop
come
talking about
on,
the
man.
tab.
So what's an adjective? Feathered?
No.
No, that, yeah.
Oh,
I would say that's an adjective, yeah.
I don't like it though.
All right, fuck it.
Erected.
That's a past tense verb. How about adjective, stupid?
My dick is erected.
Oh shit! His erected penis.
All right. Fluffy.
It would be erect, wouldn't it? His erect penis.
I think erect
Fluffy.
erect is
Fluffy.
It modifies a verb.
Crashed. No. No, that's not an adverb. Noun plural.
crashed.
Crashed. Fuck you, kid. Adjective.
Crashed.
Noun plural. Bitches. Noun plural. Bitches.
You gonna do bitches again?
Can I use bitches? Alright, hoes. Noun plural. Sluts. Noun plural.
You got some bitches, sluts, and hoes right now.
Ah, shit. Honey mustard. What? Dude. You here to judge, bro?
Honey mustard.
It's a thing.
But it's not a plural.
Honey mustards.
I guess so.
Ending in ing.
Crashed.
Crashed, and another one.
And another one.
Verb ending in ed.
Crash. that was your adverb, yo.
Yeah, 2 verbs, yo. That's all you got left.
I know, and they gotta be the best. Chinchilla. Chinchillas are fluffy pets for those that like to own unique pets. Continually, if you ever fucked one, they're actually bitches. One may describe the animal as looking similar to a moist squirrel with big dicks. That's pretty good, big dicks. Hold up.
Oh, shit.
With big dicks, or having a honey badger's body with a large mouse-slicing dicks and a squirrel's double-sided dildo. They come in several colors, ranging from magenta to velvet. Again?
I was gonna pass out. I had to.
They live in the crevices.
I don't have lung capacity. I wasn't gonna pass out that time. I was okay, but I was still like, I'd like to breathe right now. Hold up.
They're very social and live in colonies of about 1738. They live in these groups for added protection for sensitive assholes, such as owls, foxes, blueberries, hawks,
Owls are assholes.
and other night assholes.
Yo, honestly, yo. Text that to me right now, or like message it. Night
asshole.
It is I, the night asshole.
Chinchillas also use their hind flesh cavern to jump great honey mustard packets.
See, I don't know if honey mustard packets work. Honestly, honey mustard packets was a controversial pick from the start.
Trap rappers. Sean Shapiro. New Star Wars movie and trap rappers. And Netflix.
What are the three of those things? Those three things have in common.
Well, I have a new hope that I'll never see trap rappers on Netflix.
Yo, good call.
How well do you remember the 90s Gladiators?
Not very well. All I remember was honestly ISIS.
Which of these is Warrior?
Both of them. They're both warriors.
Oh, I'm pretty good at this. The other is Cobra.
I knew that.
What's this guy's name?
Sugar Rush.
Shadow? I think that's a setup. That's a setup.
I think Blade is.
They're both setups.
I mean, Saracen.
Yes, those are setups. This is racist.
This is racist.
What do you think his name is?
Actually, my name's Sam. My friends call me Sammy. Please don't call me Sammy until you know me. I mean, that's not how that dude talks. I don't care how jacked he is. That's how that fucking dude talks. That's why they don't let the gladiators talk, because he comes out here and goes, I'm Sammy. They're like, no, you're Thunderbolt, dude. Okay, I guess I'll be Thunderbolt. I'm Thunderbolt.
What's going
She
on?
looks almost dead. She looks almost dead, yo.
Oh, what's going on?
Why is the girls in this so fucked up?
I have no idea.
Like, I can't believe I'm on Gladiator. I was supposed to be a fucking actress.
Well, your granddad trained lightning as a gymnastic.
Good for you, bro. How many likes does it have? Not a damn one. Like it. Come on, man. Like it. Thank you.
You trying to fuck?
I'll look her up.
What up?
Ooh.
Okay.
A little young, I think.
Yeah,
Ooh,
definitely.
young, I think.
That's
I think
2013. She's at least 2 years older.
You think you need to back up out of there.
I just watched that the other day. Jingle All the Way.
Oh, I love that movie.
Sorry.
Jingle All the Way. Have you seen my movie? It's a Christmas classic, Jingle All the Way. It's a Christmas classic. As soon as it came out, it changed the game. It's Jingle All the Way. I've never seen the movie Jingle All the Way.
What that is?
You're not one for traditional penetration. Intergalactic alien action is what really
yo.
sparks your attraction.
Yo, look up the videos of that.
What?
Yeah, look up the egg
Intergalactic.
dildo. Look up egg dildo.
The Ovipositor?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Dawn, and I want to talk to you today about just what is splorch.
Dude, Simon's got a hard on.
It's basically an egg-laying tentacle. The egg goes through here,
You pushing my egg out, buddy?
and it comes out of here.
Ooh, yeah.
Why is it so
Use it to
large,
peel the
dude?
tentacle. Let me show you how this works.
Yeah!
God damn it, dude. I thought she was actually gonna show us how it works.
Should we get off YouTube and look this up?
Oh, yeah, we gotta go.
Nah,
We gotta go.
there's no way. No, because
I'm gonna have to go home and fucking jerk off to this.
that's
yo.
fine. We can watch this for now and go. You'll find Splurge on the internet later.
You kind of have to figure out where it to work.
Yeah, get in there,
I think I
girl.
heard this.
Yo, I bet her Comic-Con costume is crazy.
If I was her, I'd just walk around with that thing sticking out of my ass.
Right?
Dropping eggs on the floor.
It's so crazy. What the fuck is going on?
And it slides along.
Wait a minute, wait for it. This is my favorite part. It made a sound. Rewind that.
That sound. You need that.
It made a sound.
You need a sample of that sound. Watch the bottle of lube bounce, yo.
I'm done with this.
Come on, let's keep it going.
Tell them what kind of mac and cheese we're gonna do this week, Simon.
We're gonna do Kraft macaroni and cheese. Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles. Mixed. We're gonna mix it because there's more than 2 people here with Rippz being here. We got the pirate booty, mild cheddar.
Yeah, the Teenage Mutant Pirate Booty.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Pirate Booty.
Did you double down on the cream? I mean, on the milk and butter and stuff?
There you go. Alright, there it is. It's gonna spill. Alright, ready?
Oh yeah, I don't think I even put any in.
You don't put any in?
No, I don't think so.
No
That's
wonder
why it
it's so
tastes
terrible.
terrible. Dude, it's so terrible. You didn't do no milk or butter?
No, I forgot to. I think at this point it's too late.
And that's why it was so hard to mix, dude. That is amazing how well you got the cheese to spread without butter or milk.
Thank you.
I'll eat it like this. I'll eat everybody's bowl if they don't want it.
Yep, you can have mine.
All right.
Yeah, yeah, bud.
So everybody gets says no noodle for this one.
Yep.
I give it at least a couple, like 3 or 4.
No noodle.
No.
I'm eating Cheetos in a bowl right now.
That's what I'm saying. It's pretty awful. It's pretty universally awful.
No milk, no butter,
Yep.
no smoothness whatsoever.
Nope. Yeah, it's going down though.
Hey man, have at it.
Yep. Killing the game, bro.
Dude, he's polishing it.
My favorite part though is he's like enjoying the bites, but every time he has to go swallow, he goes. He has to like push it down. He's just like.
That's because you need saliva to eat dry mac and cheese.
Way easier with like a drink, but I'm just doing what I gotta do.
That's what flavor we tried this week. Dry mac.
Dry mac.
2 boxes of them.
Oh, they're all like hungry. They're all like. He's like, come here. You come here to me. Man, cougars love black guys.
It's definitely a cheetah.
Whatever it is.
Cougar.
Most cougars are cheetahs.
What's up with this baby?
He's been playing with the ghosts. That's the
fuck
one they
yeah.
don't love. Get in the back with the goats! Meredith, get in the back with the fucking goats! Don't wake up your brother! I like that.
Throw a dog a bone.
what's going on in this picture.
It looks like there's just a goose in the street.
No, that goose is a faggot. That's gonna be someone helping you drop the loaf tomorrow. Alright, cut her off! Cut her off! Push it. That was a white guy when he started. Probably like, dude, maybe if the bird stays here, it'll attract a cat. And we can all eat.
Fuck, man, relax. Well, you got the little mustache.
You got Hitler mustache!
Yeah.
Hitler mustache.
Shut up, Hitler.
Oh, you lose this election now. Look, she got the Hitler mustache.
Dude, even better. Yeah, the Jewish flag in the background, yo.
Whoa, we'll cut this one.
The German flag's right behind her, too.
Oh, hello. She got the Hitler mustache. Oh, hello.
Yo, my grandma wild.
Mark's grandma.
Please tell me. This isn't how they make orange chicken.
I was gonna say she brought some food to the tub with it too. The fucking cat. Why did you do this? Every time we come out. Every time. You always do this.
Maria, shut up. This guy's like, how deep is that puddle?
The other guy's like, pretty deep. This is the beginning of the world's biggest baby burrito. God, yeah, you ready for me a close-up? You're on TV! Are you ready for me a close-up, buddy? This dead guy's got a really nice dick. She's like, I really wish I'd known this before he died.
This guy's like, I don't know if I should look at his tip or his ball. Oh, your dick is a natural, baby.
That's Tom Arnold.
You're killing it.
It looks like
Tom Arnold. She fucking had it coming up.
You must face defeat.
You must face defeat. You must face defeat. And I might fart on you when I'm rapping. I don't even care. I'll go, and then I'll go, what happened?
Guess what happens when you forget the butter?
Yo.
The Mac is like no other.
Yo.
You better rap about Simon.
Oh, I'm rapping. I'm taking the opening line.
You feel tight, you know?
Yeah.
He feels tight.
You know when
he
your
just
pussy feels
weak.
tight.
Yeah.
You know when you feel fly like an eagle and tight like a kegel.
Yo. Yo. Till I take crabs, I'm eating this Mac. Yo. 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 Cause I sit on the toilet, take poos all day. And you know that's what I really wanna say. When I rap, I heard that you rap fucking gay, but that's okay. I liked it anyway.
What? I need some macaroni represent me. What? I need some macaroni represent me. What? But not just the macaroni, no, I need me some cheese.
Yo, I need me some cheese. And if you please, I'll take that shit. I'll take your steez. I'll take your double D's and I'll put it in my mouth and I'll go down south. I'll show you what I'm all about. I told me to my butthole homie real quick. Real quick.
That's some real shit.
Real shit.
Homie,
Black dog.
you don't see me on the black dog. You don't see me on the black dog.
See me on the block, dog.
Riding shotgun with a shotgun. If you come through, I might pop one. Blasting out the window. Glock 9 pointed at your kinfolk. Now they gone. Now they perished. They all gone. They all buried. I made that shit rhyme. So sick. Don't spit double time.
You ever walked in the fucking laundromat and you can't find where your fucking laundry at?
Earlier when you guys ate some fucking Wendy's, put some X-Locks in it. So wait, you'll be just as much as the shit as I am in a minute.
Like the video, so they know you like the video. Because if you like the video, they can make more videos you like.
It's pretty close.
Was that close?
That's pretty good.
What is it? Really though? Like the video.
If you like the video, like the video, so we know you like the video, and we can keep on making videos you like.
What he said. Exactly. Rippz.
Wednesday.
Dark green titties.